Kajing rakhe ka Seng kot Snem Jong Seng Khasi ka By Iphuh Iphieng menta Khasi ha ka alpulai terek unai weng aja apuar baru shibenta ya kajing dap hispa alpulai jong ka Seng menta Khasi la rakhe ha kajing dan ring ka lang ru para Seng Khasi Seng ra Seng kor ba ha baro ki Seng la pen kre pen krom ya ka ne ka program da kajing tem diksha jing rai ba da kajing ne niam
Ringkat unisubang, ringkat pulau sud, ringkat pulau sini, mindamu mindatnya.
To deliver a speech in this occasion. I also like to welcome all the Dolois, Headman Jong, all religious leaders, namely Ram Krishna Mission, Shillong, Ram Krishna Mission Acharam Sora, Central Puja Committee, Kalyan Ashram, Unitarian, Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh, Guru Singh Sabha, Buddhist monk monastery, and all religious leaders of different faith of Indian origin. Further, I welcome all members of the press, both print and electronics, and I sincerely apologize that in case I missed or forgotten to name any one of you through oversight, please forgive and forget. And before I conclude, it is worth mentioning that we the Khasi believe in God Universal, Uwei Ublei Tlaikan Rat. All religions are unique, all leading to the same truth, Ublei. The foundation of our spiritual truth rests in the tenet, the respect for fellow man in the path of God Almighty. With these thoughts and peaceful energy, we carry in our heart and souls and in the spirit of unity. It is also important to remember that if the culture survives, the race and the nation thrives and continue to live and survives. On this auspicious occasion, on behalf of Seng Sikme Mokar Shillong, I take this opportunity to convey my heartiest and warmest greetings to all the indigenous Khasi members of Kabir Nyothrap Nyawasa, members of indigenous faith,